Good afternoon, YouTube. Dave here, coming up with another series of farm life. Stay tuned for this. Good evening or good afternoon, YouTube. Dave here. We're coming up to another episode, another vlog out of the farm life. As we start to walk, we're going to start doing a little bit of walking and do some inspections on these watermelons that are starting to grow, starting to come out. Some of them are coming out, some of them ain't. It's still an early process. But they are slowly coming out. As you can see, right there is a small one right there coming out. There's another one right there. You can barely see it. And we get a little bit closer. There's one right there. They're slowly starting to get out. Here's one right here. The beautiful one right here. Look at that. Beautiful. That one's gonna grow up pretty big. Some just didn't make it. They ended up drying up. They were rejected. But overall, we're doing okay. The weather's nice, although it's a little bit windy today. It's a bit windy, but we have another one here. Well, that one's coming out real nice. The texture of it, it's gonna be a seedless one, a seedless watermelon. As we continue walking forward, it's still pretty small, but they're starting to come out. We really don't want to walk that much because this particular area has an abundance of rattlesnakes, and for some reason or another, the rattlesnakes here are pretty pissed off at you. We don't invade their territory, but there's been one or two workers that have been confronted by these rattlesnakes. So, as we start to walk the fields, as I said, we got to be careful with rattlesnakes. The area, I'm gonna walk up here for a little bit. Walk up here, and we got a little small canal running on this side. Got a lot of algae coming out of it. As you can see, this is pretty much water that comes out of the river. So you're bound to see a couple of catfish in there. Either they be baby catfish or full-grown catfish. They didn't get trapped by the water trap that they have, the filter device. It went right through it and has passed through these canals towards the irrigation system. It's a beautiful day out here. Central Texas, we're just northwest of Travis County. This is all farmland, which is the area pretty close to Austin Lake in Lago Vista, Texas. But we've been farming here for quite a long time. The land is very rich in minerals. From there on, if you can see, there's a gate right there by the entrance. So pretty much that's another farm, or it's not really a farm, it's more of a game reserve. There's a lot of deer on that side, a lot of elk, exotic buffalo. I've seen a couple of exotic African animals out there also. Not something dangerous like a lion or a tiger, but I have seen something that looked like a wildebeest. But I think you can only find those in Africa. I'm not sure, or at the zoo. But I have seen them before, grazing on the side of the lake. Correction, grazing on the side of the fence. But anyways, this is just a quick wrap. We're still looking at the watermelons. They are coming out. They're coming out very healthy, and we should soon start to see a production of watermelons, hopefully within the next 2 weeks. If we don't get any severe thunderstorms, we don't get any of those things from here to 2 weeks, we're gonna have we'll have a good harvest. As we move to a different area, hopefully you all might be able to hear me with a high wind. We use a method to analyze the sweetness of the watermelon. It's called a pocket refractometer. It's very hard to pronounce, but this is it right here. Basically, the way this is done is that we would get the and I'm going to put the camera down for a little bit here because I want to show you. I'm going to put the camera down for a little bit here. The way you analyze how sweet this thing could be is that you pretty much just turn it on and you light it on top of the watermelon. Of course, we already cut the watermelon open, and it's showing that this one is still a little bit green,